Avid Stream.io, it's very flexible in terms of configuration. You can have up to 8 channels per box, okay? Those channels can be input and output, and they can be SDI, 2110, and also compressed IP streams like SRT, NDI, and RTMP. You can see here the Stream.io web remote console, which is based, of course, on a web browser, and that allows you to access the interface, and you have basically 2 interfaces. A control interface, which is what we are seeing, and also you have a configuration interface where you can configure the input channels, the output channels, and basically all the other settings in terms of connection to the Nexus, to the production management system, to Media Central, and so on. Inside the web remote console, you have multiple configurations in terms of display, so you can customize basically the display to have bigger preview screens or smaller preview screens. As you can see, you can see the preview monitors with the live feeds into the inputs and also the live feeds of the outputs. You can also output clean feeds onto an output, and then dirty feeds with like time code information, in and out points, and etc., etc. In here on the right side, you can see the inventory where you have all your media for playout, and in the bottom side, on the right-hand side, you have playlists that you can configure and then create and drag into the output channels. The operation is quite easy. You can basically select a clip and drag it into a playout channel, and then just hit play. You can control that clip, you can scrub if you want. You can see the time code for input, output, and all the duration of the clips and the name of the clip. And the same works with playlists. You can see here playlists with different content, and you can basically drag that playlist into an output and then hit play. Another interesting, of course, is the integration onto Media Central. Whenever you trigger a recording, this can start recording into the system, ingest this media into your Nexus workspace, and also check that media into Media Central. Okay, I've shown you the web interface for the manual operation, but we have also integration into Media Central, into the Acquire application. Inside Acquire, you can basically schedule recordings so that they are automatically triggered from Acquire and trigger the recording on the Stream.io according to the scheduling that you have done. For example, you can create a new recording here, you can specify the name, you can specify a date and a time, and it will automatically start the recording at that scheduled date and time.